Hey everyone, and today we're going to be discussing about how to download free ebooks on your iPhone. So this is the best way and method explained in 2026. What you need to do is simply head over to a site that is called Ocean of PDF. Over here, as you can see, we need to simply dive onto that. Let me just show you Ocean of PDF, and once you head over to that, you're going to be searching in here in the name of the book that you need. Like for example, if we need Atomic Habits, and yeah, so it is by James Clear. We got the book over here. Now it's time to download it. So you can see we have the PDF file over here. Just simply click onto that and it is going to be downloaded. You can see it is going to be downloading in a couple of seconds. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it starts. So let me just show you how it is going to be looking once it downloads. So this is the ebook, and you can scroll through and read the entire book. It is now loading. Just give it a couple of seconds until the entire book is loaded, and you can see we have this download button that we want to use now. Yeah, so basically this is how simple it is to get the ebooks. See you guys around in the next one.